Today is Super Bowl Sunday, and I'm trying to get my 1 mile walk in after church and before the game today. So it's a little breezy, and the sun is so bright that I didn't want to put sunglasses on, so I'm trying to at least film this in the shade for a little bit here, and then I'll get out there in that sunshine and do my 1 mile walk. So hopefully the others of you out there watching this have been sticking to your 1 mile, 30-minute walk on this 14-day walking challenge. But I want to ask you, are you a football fan? Do you have a favorite team? I have been a Seattle fan for 25 years, I believe it is. And my Seahawks are playing in the football game today. And I am ready. I have my little Seahawks earrings on and my Seahawks pants. So I'm ready for the game. But more than football, I am an avid baseball fan. I've been a Mariner fan for 25 years. And when the Mariners are on, that remote control is in my hands. Any other time, I am not a TV watcher. I'd rather be in at the computer writing or doing something other than television. But when baseball season is on, that remote control is in my hands. And I do have to say that even though I used to be terribly shy and would never hardly squeak a sound during a game, before I kind of transformed into the person I am today. But now I have to admit that I can be a very verbal person. Good, mind you, nothing bad. But I like to watch every pitch that's thrown, every swing of the bat. And when they hit that ball or there's a home run, my excitement comes out of my mouth. Even if I try not to, and I try to watch the game a little quieter, it doesn't seem to work for me anymore. I'm a very verbal person when the game comes on. And bless my husband's heart, he watches the games with me, but he would almost rather just check the scores later, I think. He'll sit and watch the game with me, but normally he is also on his phone at the same time, reading the news. He's a news junkie. But quite often, I will verbalize something really excited, and all of a sudden I hear him jump. And I look over there, and he's got his mouth wide open, and he's sound asleep in his chair. And my little bit of excitement, his eyes come flying open. So bless his heart, he does usually always sit and watch the games with me, though. And every year, the first weekend, usually in March, we meet a group of friends over in the Phoenix, Arizona area. Fortunately, it's not too far for us because we live in Yuma, Arizona. It's about a 3.5-hour drive. But we meet them over there for 3 or 4 days during spring training and watch some of the spring training baseball games. So that's my addiction, is baseball. And like I say, I do enjoy football, and especially when my team is winning, the Seahawks. I don't watch any of the other games, but I do watch the Super Bowl every year, even if my team's not in it. So how about you? Are you a sports addict in any way? Or do you have another form of hobby or something that you may be a little bit addicted to? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing other people's responses to things. And with that, I'm going to get out here and get my walk done before it's time to get home and watch that Super Bowl game. Go Hawks. We have very little shade here in Arizona to walk in. Occasionally we have the park like this that has a touch of shade here and there, but no walking paths that are in the shade. So all of my walks have to be in the sunshine.